War I memorial window commemorates the bravery of the Prince of Wales' own West Yorkshire Regiment and tells the story of that regiment in picture form. In and amongst the images of warfare and the names of key campaigns and battles are tiny symbols drawn from nature and the natural world. The poppies of the battlefields, the Yorkshire rose, the pelican, a Christian symbol of sacrificial love, and a pack mule, in tribute to the work of the horses and mules of the transport section. The 1st Battalion was part of the original expeditionary force at the outbreak of the First World War, rapidly followed by the Second. The regiment grew to 37 battalions, including territorials, of which 24 saw action overseas and received many decorations. Raised in 1685, the regiment first saw active service in Flanders in 1693. In 1759, when stationed at Windsor, it was granted royal permission to wear the White Horse of Hanover, which you can see in the window. After several successful actions in India, the 1st Battalion was, on returning home in 1831, granted the badge of the Royal Tiger, superscribed India. You can also see the tiger in our window.